Hello guys, today is the second day of the Hong Kong Fair of 2018 Spring. So today I'm going to introduce new models of the Doogee S series, the S50 and S50 Lite. So this phone we are going to publish for two versions by different specification. So at first we can see there is for the front, there are 5.7 inch is HD plus for the screen. So the screen aspect we are doing for the 18:9 ratio. So as you can see, we have packed the two cameras in the front and the two camera on the back. So it's rugged and the quad camera phones. So also we have a light sensor in the front, waterproof voice receiver here, and the 3 physical buttons on the bottom. So after we check the front, let's turn it to the side. On the right side we have the volume button and the power button. Also we have the metal decoration on the side, and on the bottom there is a USB cable. After we open it, we can see there is a micro USB port on the bottom. And okay, let's cooperate and look at the left side. So there is a walkie-talkie button on the here. So when you're using the walkie-talkie, it will be very easy for you to control it. Also we have a SIM card slot on the left side. So we can open it, then we can see by using a pin then to take the SIM card slot out. Okay, after we put it back, then we can see there is a cover of the headphone port. After we open it, we can get a 3.5 millimeter for the headphone port. Okay, after the side we have let's see the back cover. The back cover we have our logo on here, and for the back we do the leather on the back. It's very good feeling by the hand touching. And also here we do a metal material on the back. There is a powerful flashlight, and the main camera we are reaching to the 16 megapixel for the main camera. And here is 30 megapixel assistant camera. And also we have the real fingerprint sensor on the back. Of course, this phone is for the rugged phone, for waterproof and dustproof for IP68. Yep. Let's turn around. We can see the system is using the latest system for the Android 8.1. And let's check the specification. We are going to do two specifications for the S50 and S50 Lite. So for the S50, we are going to do the Helio P23, which is the optical 2.5 GHz. And for the camera, we are going to do a quad camera. It's 16 megapixel plus 13 megapixel for the rear. And for the front, we are going to do a 16 megapixel plus 8 megapixel. So this 260 megapixel for the front and the rear, it will be very good shooting on in the low light scenario. And also for the memory, we are going to do it with 6 GB plus 64 or 128. So it will be satisfied for you to play the games and to save every photos you want. And also, if this rugged phone can with 5,180 milliampere batteries, so it can be last for a whole day for using the phones. And the charging port, which is 5V 2 ampere. And this phone, if we are going to do the S50 Lite, it will go with the Android 8.1. So for now, for the Android Go system and the Android 8.1 system for the Doogee phone, now we are doing the Face ID. There is one special function we need to mention is the front camera. We supported the 130 degree. Let's check this out. As you can see, there are two S50 right here. One is the black, another one is the orange. So this one is with the front camera, and this one is with the 130-degree front wide angle camera. So you can see the difference when we are taking the photo together with our friends, that it can be taken as more people than we ever take. Yes. So let's go for the S50 Lite. We can see we are going to use the MT6750T for the S50 Lite, which is the optical as well. And also the camera will remain the same as the S50. And for the memory, we are going to do a lower specification for the 4 GB plus 32 GB memory to satisfy this different type of consumers. And for others, that will be the Android system is different from the S50. So S50 and the S50 Lite will already publish in Doogee, but it will be published in the market at the beginning of May.